Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple daisy flower pendant at home using silver clay, no mold needed. If you love silver clay jewelry, remember to subscribe to our channel or follow us on Instagram at Pure Silver Joy. And if you enjoy this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up to support our channel. Let's get started. First, take 10 to 15 grams of silver clay. Knead it well to remove air bubbles and evenly distribute the moisture. Let's start by making the petals. Roll the silver clay into small balls. Then shape each one into a strip about 1.5 centimeters long. Flatten it and set aside. Repeat this step to make about 24 petals. Take a small piece of silver clay, roll it into a ball, then flatten it. Apply some silver clay paste onto the base and attach the petals one by one, first forming the bottom layer. Then adding another layer of petals in between the gaps to create a two-layered flower. After that, make a half-sphere shape for the flower center and place it in the middle of the petals. Then, create 17 to 19 tiny silver balls for the flower's pollen details. Apply some silver clay paste onto the flower center and attach the tiny balls on top. Once done, use a sanding sponge to gently smooth the surface of the daisy. Now let's make the silver loop for hanging. Roll a small strip of silver clay. Fold it in half. And attach it to the back of the pendant using silver clay paste. Make sure your piece is completely dry before firing. We're using a kiln. Set at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you prefer to use a gas stove, check out our Gemstone Ring tutorial video, where we explain the gas firing method in detail. Just remember to control the heat carefully to avoid overheating. After firing, use a steel brush to gently remove the white oxidation layer on the surface. Then polish the pendant with a polishing stick. Use the rough side for a matte finish, or the white side for a shiny gloss. Finally, apply a bit of silver cream and polish it with a silver cloth to bring out the shine. And that's it, your daisy flower pendant is complete. If you'd like to try making your own silver clay jewelry, visit our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop, where you'll find beginner-friendly starter kits with all the essential tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorial. We'd also love to see your creations or hear what you'd like us to make next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!